What's up guys, today we got the GS350 again, and we're going to be trying to touch up some of these scratches on the car. So we got these just these minor scratches on the rear bumper. It's worse right here. I tried polishing it and it's doesn't work. So these got like these little minor scratches here, all up on the trunk. There's a big one here, right there. Can't focus, but yeah, it's all over the car. So I got Dr. Color chip, and then we got Scratches Happen kit right here, and you get the base coat and you get a top coat and just these brushes. This is what Dr. Color chip is. You get like a little solution that will kind of rub off the paint a little bit, and then you get your base coat, microfiber towel, and a towel in there. This one I've used before. It's a little bit easier, I guess. With the Scratches Happen one, it's going to take more time because you have to cut and polish it as well if you want good results. But yeah, we're just gonna test a couple spots and then let's get to it. So this corner right here, the previous owner, I don't know, like hit something, but I'm just gonna use the Scratches Happen on this corner. Alrighty, this is the first coat basically. Probably gonna have to do like two more coats just to get it semi-decent. Alrighty, this is like after the third coat. I mean, it got rid of most of the like obvious ones, but this one right here, since it's a huge gouge, it's not really gonna do much. Since it's the light reflecting it, it's gonna be, you're gonna notice it. So here. Next up is the top coat. I'm just gonna let it dry for like 10-15 more minutes and then apply the top coat. So here we are, first layer of top coat. It doesn't look bad at some angles, but these other angles you can tell that it is touched up. I don't know if you remember, but there was a big little thing here that you can see right there, and it looks white on camera, but it's like filled in, so it's just like the light hitting it at certain angles makes it look like paint isn't filled in. But yeah, from like, I don't know, 5 feet away, can't even tell.
Sure, buddy.
Alrighty, I'm gonna try the Dr. Color chip now. You can see there's a scratch right here, and then where is it? Right here. So I'm just gonna fill it in with this, and then we'll use the solution to kind of wipe it away. I think with this stuff, the more thin you put it on, the better. Because you're gonna have to wipe it off anyway. There we go. It's right there. Just gonna let it dry and then rub the solution on it. This bad boy over here. Where is it? Here. You can see it. Alrighty, should be dry by now. I'm just gonna use this pink stuff, put it on the rag that they gave. I'm just gonna lightly massage it, and then that should take away the excess paint, theoretically. Get the microfiber towel that they gave. I mean, it didn't do too much. You can still see it there. Not deep enough, you can even see it on this camera. You can still see the scratch. So this is what it looks like after one layer top coat. This one looks fine, but the one up here looks like absolute trash. That's what I'm saying, like if you use the brush with the Scratches Happen kit, you can't lay a smooth like layer of top coat because the brush that they provide is like not very good. So I got a kind of a chip right there, and then a little chip right here. That is probably the best example to use Dr. Color chip on. Alrighty, I've just been going around trying to fill just like random spots, but you can see here it's a bit more level than the Scratches Happen kit, which I like because you have the ability to like level it out yourself, so you can feel it through the little white rag that they give you. Once you like use a solution, you can feel the high spots kind of leveling out. But what I noticed is, let me find a spot where I did. It will dry out once you use that solution and wipe it with a microfiber towel. It'll kind of dry out the paint spot, so you'll notice it'll become more noticeable. It's not really picking up here. So this was like white before. God damn.
God damn. Sorry.
There's another scratch I did with the Scratches Happen kit. Just top coated it. But like from here you can definitely tell. But like once you get up to here, it's not that noticeable, I guess. Same with the, what was it? This one right here. You can tell the light refraction different, but yeah, from here can't really tell. There you go. It's not a really good comparison, I guess, but they both have their pros and cons. Like the Scratches Happen kit is pretty good for like small scratches, but you can't, once you put the top coat on, like you will notice it because it's doesn't go on as smooth because the brush they provide is like too big. So I ended up cutting the brush and applying it that way, so it gives it a bit more, I don't know, precision. But yeah, it's not as level, I guess. But with the Dr. Color chip, I guess it's better to use it with an actual rock chip because it's a deeper, there's more room for the paint to go in. And once you like use a solution to rub it away, it won't take as much as the paint out, because some of these scratches and chips that I have, they're not as deep. So yeah, and it also leaves kind of a matte look to the metallic black. So I guess like I didn't really prove anything with this this video, but just giving you two options, I guess, to go with for your scratches or rock chip. But in my opinion, the rock chip or Dr. Color chip is better for rock chips, and then Scratches Happen is better for like finer scratches. So yeah, hopefully that helps in some way. But until the next one, see ya.